If you like this video and want to see more, then please subscribe to the channel. So back in my XKR, after a few months of the front end refurbishment, and I decided it's time to start the car, and I've got a little bit of an issue. So I started the car for the first time yesterday, and it sounded like it was running on 6 or 7 of the 8 cylinders, and I let it sit ticking over just for a minute or so, increased the rev to about 1500 RPM, and when they dropped back down, it cleared. It was fine. So I took the car out for a little shakedown run, and I just took it carefully, but I noticed the car was a bit underpowered. So just a little circuit that I do just at the back of my house. There's a little dual carriageway. It's only about a mile and a half long. I just go up there and back again. So coming back the other way, I stopped in a lay-by, and just as I stopped, the engine just died. Now the engine would restart every time, but immediately it would be missing again, and it would die immediately, probably within a second. So I run some diagnostics using the OBD2 port and an app on my phone, and it threw up 2 codes. One was the, I think it's P1000 code, and researching that just is a standard code which shows that the startup sequence of all the computers, the checking procedure, system test if you like, is incomplete. So that doesn't actually point to a particular fault, it just says that that is incomplete. So I checked the battery, and that was charged 3 or 4 weeks ago, and the battery was down to 12.5 volts, which I know can throw some codes. And the second code that it threw up was P0101, and researching that suggested there's an issue with the mass airflow sensor. But upon restart this morning, having fully recharged the battery, the codes are gone, but the engine's still missing. So I'll start it up now, and hopefully you can have a listen. So apologies if the video and audio is of poor quality. My GoPro has had to go back to GoPro due to a few issues, and therefore I'm without a camera, so I'm doing this on my phone. As you can probably hear, that doesn't sound very well. So I did a little bit more investigation. Also, I entered a new post onto a forum to see if anyone else had had a similar issue. I explained everything I got so far, which are the codes, the poor running, the low battery voltage. And I got one reply so far suggesting that I have a look at the air intake, maybe disconnect the mass airflow sensor, check the connections, but I did that in the winter. I know it can get damp, and it can fail at any time, but it was taken out, I had a clean, and it looked in good condition. The other thing they suggested is maybe damp had got into the coils. I haven't checked those yet, but upon checking the intake, I came across something that has surprised me, and I don't know how this happened, but it just goes to show that even if a car's sitting there with no use, things can happen that are... So the mass airflow sensor is just located here, just behind the airbox. The connector's all good, so what I was going to do is disconnect the airbox just here, and also at the other end, and just check to see if there's any leaks in these areas here. I know these can crack. So the first thing, I was just having a quick look around, and I noticed it was pretty loose. And what's actually happened is it's come off of the throttle body. So I'm suspecting if I just loosen the clamp down here and sit it back on, that it's actually going to solve that issue. So we'll give that a go and restart it and see how we get on. That's tightened up, so let's give it another go. That sounds a lot better.